Well, here's a 1991 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. It is yellow, which makes it kind of unique. There were only 650 yellow Corvettes produced in 1991, and this one happens to be a convertible. So we can say there's a little rarity to this car already, but this is beautiful. As we said, yellow on the exterior, black leather interior, black convertible top, and under the hood, 250 horsepower, 350 cubic inch L98 Tuned Port Injection engine. This car has an automatic transmission and posi rear end. Now, factory features include the dual power sports seats, the Bose AM FM CD cassette stereo, electronic climate control, FX3 selective ride and handling suspension, power windows, door locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, tilt, cruise, ABS. This car comes with a clean Carfax and is loaded with options. Again, this rare 1991 Corvette Convertible shows just 29,533 miles. Now, if you want to know the price on this, be sure to check out other photos and the pricing right in the link below this video. It'll take you to all that information. This car has an unbelievable price to it, and it is in very nice condition. Again, one of just 650 total yellow Corvettes built for the 1991 model year. And this car's paint is in good to very good condition, has a great shine. The convertible top is very good to excellent condition, and window sweeps are very good as well. Factory wheels, well, they're very good to excellent condition. And the interior of this car, as you can see, this Corvette Convertible shows very good factory leather seats, steering wheel, very good to excellent center console, shift plate, door panels. Now, the only addition to this car appears to be a Magnaflow axle back performance exhaust. This car features a corrosion-free frame, subframe. Remember, all of our Corvettes are hand-picked. So give us a call today here at buyavette.net at 770-414-5552. We have experienced sales representatives, and we make buying online something you can do with ease and, more importantly, with confidence. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do hit the notification button, you'll see every new Corvette that comes to our showroom floor. Again, beautiful car, low mileage, a little bit on the rare side, and it's priced to sell. So give us a call, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon.